Hello students, again welcome to a new session of C programming. Today we are going to talk about unary operator, a kind of arithmetic operator. So as you can see here, we discussed yesterday that in arithmetic operator we use more than one operand, or we can say the variables like here A or B. Similarly here we can use more than one. But when you talk about the unary operator, in unary operator most we use only one operand, means only one variable is used, and the operator which supports only one operand, that is called unary operator. So it's very simple there. We have two types of unary operator mostly when we use in programming. There are some others also, but here we are going to talk about it mainly two. First is the increment operator. We write plus plus, and it means change or increase the value by 1. And next is a decrement operator. It means decrease the value by 1. So let's answer first increment operator, and later on we will understand with that of example. Whenever we write plus plus, it means for given variable increase the value by 1. It's very simple there. Again, it is of two types: pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment we write in this way, plus plus x, and post-increment we write after the variable. So what this pre-increment says, that first you increase the value by 1, then you return the x value of x. Let's see. And in post-increment what happens, first you use the value of x, return the x, and after that go for the increment by 1. Example I'll show you after some time. Similarly, just opposite of increment, there is also a decrement operator, and in this decrement operator what happens, we decrease the value by 1. Again, just like increment, there are two types: pre-decrement and post-decrement. Pre-decrement simply says that actually we write in this minus x. It means first you decrease the value, then you assign the value of x. And post-decrement says that first you use the value of x, then you go for the decrement by 1. So this was about the unary operator, and to be more clear about the unary operator, let's see an example. Let's take one variable. Now let's go for increment. Suppose if we put a plus plus, let's print this value. Let's save it. Let's run the program. We can see the output, that is 9. So let's understand how did we get this output to 9. So here is pre post, it is post operator, that is increment. So if we write plus plus here, it means in pre increment. If we write plus plus here, that is post increment. So writing plus plus means increase the value of a by 1 after this line, fifth line. So it means a equals to a plus 1. So actually this line is not needed to be written here. Mostly when we write this post, it means after this line, line number 5th, a computer goes for increment by 1, and that value will get printed from this printf function. So this was about the post increment. This was about the post increment. Similarly, actually, if we put pre-increment, we'll get the same output. Let's see here. So let's put here. Let's run it. Again we are getting, wait for a while, let's rebuild it. Again we are getting 9. Means in pre and post, in both the cases we are getting same output, right? Now since we are using here pre-increment, it means first increase the value. It means this part it goes down. Before this statement plus plus a, it was here. We don't need to write here compute on in this way, and in this way computer increases the value. So first it increases the value that will be assigned to a, and that will be printed from here. So we can see here we are getting same output in both the cases, but now I'm going to do some changes here. Suppose this case is not here, and if we write plus plus here, what will happen? Let's see. We are getting 9. It's fine there. We will get 9 here. It means before the printf gets executed, its increment is done. Means this part will come here. This part will come here. There is increment part. There is pre-increment. It will come here. After increment, it stores the value that is 9 in that variable a, and after that printf prints the value. Now let's reverse the process. Let's put post. Now let's run the program. We can see we are getting it. It means whenever we go for post means first for printf will be executed, and after that this increment will happen there. So now it will come after this printf here. So printf it takes the value, same value that is given here 8, and after printing the value of 8, the computer will go for increment, that is a equals to a plus 1. So this is how we can answer about that increment. In same way, likewise, we can also answer about the decrement operator. So let's see decrement operator. So let's put here printf a minus minus equals to d a minus minus. Now what would happen there? So just to get the output, we can see here we are getting 9. So what is the reason behind that? First of all, this line number 8, it takes the value 8, then it goes for the increment, it changes the value to 9, and after that 9 will be printed from here, and after printing the value it will go for the decrement. So that was about the post decrement. Similarly, if we put minus minus here, what would happen there? What would happen there? We'll get 8. We can see first it decreases value, and after that it prints the value. So this is how we can solve the increment decrement operator. Mostly we using loop and somewhere in some logics of programs. I think you are clear about this increment and decrement operator. If you have any question, you can ask me by putting inside the comment box. Okay, thank you.